most recent product development at BDS to produce a range of core drills optimized for power from BDS Maschinen. Presenting the revolutionary high-speed steel annular cutters with 8% cobalt. Made from M42 high-speed steel, sourced from leading steel manufacturers from Germany. Are adapted for high loads, greater heat resistance, and wear protection. Available in two standards, cutting lengths of 30mm and 55mm. And available in a wide range of cutting diameters from 12 to 60mm. BDS annual cutters drill up to 4 times faster and 3 times more holes per cutter. All this achieved by enhancing the cobalt proportion in special steel. Simply better drilling. Manufactured from supreme quality steel from Germany. Streamlined high standard of automation and production process. The large production capacity set up at our corporate premises forms the basis of the high quality and availability of the BDS core drills, which are exported worldwide from Germany. Available in a set of core drill cassettes of 6 annular cutters. For high performance and results with core drills, we recommend only BDS coolants and lubricants. Best for heat resistance, longer service life, wear protection, and cutters can be resharpened. High-speed steel annular cutters with 8% cobalt. From BDS Maschinen, made in Germany.